Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to record your computer screen and your face. To do this, we will use OBS Studio, which is a free and powerful screen recording software. First, download and install OBS Studio from the official website. Once installed, open the program. Now we need to add two sources. Click the plus button in the Sources panel and select Display Capture. This will record everything on your screen. Click OK, and if you have multiple screens, choose the one you want to record. Click OK again. Next, add your webcam. Click the plus button in the Sources panel again and select Video Capture Device. Click OK and choose your webcam from the device list. Now, go to the Controls panel and click Start Recording. Everything on your screen and your webcam will be recorded at the same time. When you're done, click Stop Recording. You can find your saved video by going to File and then Show Recordings. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.